AI already writes our emails, books our travel, and answers customer support. But there's one industry quietly sitting on everyone's data that AI is about to overhaul: CRMs. So the question is 2026 the year AI takes over the CRM industry? And what does that mean for companies and for people working in it? A CRM is the system companies use to track customers, sales calls, emails, deals, support tickets. It's also the software everyone swears they'll update later. For decades, CRMs depended on humans typing everything in. AI breaks that model. Early 2026 is when AI stops just suggesting things and starts doing the work. The CRM begins updating itself. For the first time ever, the CRM actually knows what happened. Less busy work, cleaner data. Companies trust AI too fast, and a lot of AI agents are really just fancy automation. By spring, AI isn't just helping, it's running workflows. This is where AI starts talking directly to customers, which is great, until the AI confidently says something very wrong: faster service, lower costs. When AI messes up, customers get extra annoyed. By summer, CRM stops being just sales and support. It becomes the system connecting sales, service, billing, and operations. AI agents now work across multiple systems. One bad permission, and suddenly the robot can email your CEO. Fewer handoffs, real automation. Security and access control become critical. By the end of 2026, the hype dies. Companies stop asking, "Do you have AI?" They ask, "Does it work? Is it safe? And does it save money?" Some repetitive CRM jobs shrink, higher skill roles grow. Get comfortable supervising AI instead of doing everything manually. Learn how AI agents work: permissions, oversight, and rollback. Your value shifts from configuring software to governing decisions. If you can't explain why the AI did something, that's a risk. They already own the data and workflows. AI just increases their advantage. So, will AI take over the CRM industry? Yes, but quietly. CRMs won't disappear. Manual CRM work will. And if you've ever hated updating a CRM, 2026 might finally be your year.